the 2011 Toyota Tundra. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, automatic temperature control, skid plates, a trailer hitch, and remote keyless entry. Toyota also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface no matter how challenging the driving conditions. We'd love to show you this vehicle in person. Call to schedule a test drive today.